Knowledge, success, and freedom form a powerful triad that shapes both personal development and collective progress. Each concept stands on its own, yet their greatest impact emerges when they are understood as interconnected forces that guide how we think, act, and contribute to the world. To reflect on them together is to examine the structure of a purposeful life and the responsibilities that come with human potential. Knowledge is the starting point because it influences every choice we make. It gives depth to our understanding, clarity to our decisions, and direction to our ambitions. Without knowledge, we operate by impulse or imitation. With knowledge, we engage with the world through insight rather than assumption. Knowledge encourages curiosity, which in turn fuels innovation and adaptability. It teaches us how to question, how to evaluate, and how to see through complexity. The pursuit of knowledge is a continuous journey, not a destination. It requires humility because it reminds us that there is always more to learn. It also requires dedication because meaningful understanding develops through deliberate effort. When we commit ourselves to learning, we expand our capabilities and strengthen the foundation on which every other achievement is built. From that foundation emerges success. Success is often perceived as a result, yet it is more accurately understood as an ongoing process shaped by discipline, perseverance, and intention. It does not appear suddenly. It is constructed through consistent practice, clear priorities, and the willingness to confront obstacles with determination rather than retreat. Success favors those who take responsibility for their actions and outcomes. It rewards individuals who treat challenges as sources of refinement and who remain committed to their objectives even when progress feels slow. True success is not measured solely by status or recognition. It is measured by the alignment between what we pursue and who we become while pursuing it. When success is built on knowledge and guided by character, it becomes both sustainable and meaningful. Freedom provides the space in which knowledge and success can flourish. It allows us to think independently, to question convention, and to pursue paths that reflect our values. Freedom empowers creativity, exploration, and the expression of individual vision. Yet freedom is not simply the absence of limits. It carries responsibilities that demand maturity and self-awareness. To exercise freedom wisely is to acknowledge the weight of our choices and the influence those choices have on others. It is to act with integrity, not only for personal gain, but for the well-being of the communities we serve. Freedom expands opportunity, but it also asks us to consider how we use that opportunity and what kind of future we help create. When knowledge sharpens our understanding, success strengthens our discipline, and freedom empowers our direction. We cultivate a life defined by purpose rather than circumstance. Together, they form a framework that enables growth, contribution, and enduring impact.